Atelier refers to craftsmanship, and that means attention to detail and passion for the process. We are craftsmen of luxury, and we service the high-end hospitality market. For us, luxury means care. We take care of our clients from start to finish, and make the manufacturing process a luxurious experience for you. We anticipate problems, so they don't happen. We select suppliers specifically based on the details and needs of each design. We provide thorough and transparent project tracking. We take responsibility every step of the way. We know that every moment matters. And we want your moments with us to be ones to remember. No matter what the project, we dedicate specialized attention to finishes and unique combinations of materials. We like it all, whether it be public spaces, guest rooms, outdoor, seating, case goods. To us, luxury is a feeling. The feeling that everything has been thought of beforehand and chosen just so. Luxury is the feeling of being taken care of. Luxury is walking into a moment and leaving with an experience. Luxury is our way. And your dreams are our mission. Welcome to the Atelier Way. Let us open the door for you.